So I'll be presenting on behalf of Team Wolsey. So for the last 2 years, all our lives have been turned upside down. Health concerns have become the daily norm, and it all boils down to one thing: that is, how strong is your body internally. To bank on immunity, India has been warming up to the idea of supplements. To cater to this need of immunity support, Wolsey Z is stepping into the market as a swallowable vitamin C complex with amla, piperine, magnesium, and zinc. To get insights about the current market scenario, we conducted primary research and found that as we move from the younger to the older population, the preference for swallowable tablet increases. We also see that customer preference and doctor prescription preference for vitamin C is mostly for immunity support. We explained about Wolsey's differential factors and we found that there is a very high market acceptance also. Wolsey would be catering to tech-savvy audience because we will be launching on online platforms. As the immunity of the exposed population is being tested constantly, we'll prove to be their knight in shining armor. And for people recovering from COVID, we'll be acting as their building blocks of immunity. Statistics show that India has 616.5 million internet users and 26 million COVID recoveries, which is a huge market. But not restricting to just this, we believe that immunity is the need for everybody, and hence we have 962 million Indians above the age of 14 who can be our target. This huge population has a few issues that are brought to the forefront, especially during the pandemic, such as the dire need for immunity, constant exposure to infections, weak health post-COVID, long and continuous working hours due to the work from home scenario, and these emphasizing the lifestyle diseases. But the existing solutions are not enough, and this is where Wolsey steps in. We've established that there is an immense need for immunity, and an opportunity here is that amla is a superior source of vitamin C, 20 times better than orange. This, along with bioavailability enhancer piperine, makes Wolsey the greater absorbed vitamin C. This creates our second opportunity of being unique in the market. Wolsey supports Smiles too. Being a swallowable tablet, there is no dental harm caused, and hence the present market of chewables becomes our third opportunity. Our final opportunity is that a wellness-filled life, despite the presence of lifestyle diseases such as diabetes, is another part that Wolsey aims at, with a combination of amla and magnesium. So our first strategy would be to address consumers of vitamin C supplements. Here, we will be creating awareness about how our product is different from the competitors, that is, better absorb vitamin C, strong immunity support, and aiding in diabetes management. This will be done via our digital channels such as YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram, because our target audience is using these platforms the most. We will also be emphasizing the long-term dental harm of chewables via these channels as well to convert that market. Collaborations with dietitians, nutritionists, and yoga trainers in the futures will also strengthen our presence in the market. Our second strategy would be to address non-consumers of vitamin C supplement. For this, we have a strong healthcare professional connect and also established connections with big healthcare chains of India. These can be our advocates for our primary positioning of immunity support. Visuals are retained the most by human brain, and hence we aim to have maximum retention of Wolsey in consumers' mind by the campaign ahead. The Grasp to Last campaign comes with the fact that piperine grasps the bioavailability of amla, and together they last longer in the fight against illnesses and maintain wellness. So focusing on your smile, is vitamin C actually Pac-Man for your teeth? Does it cause dental erosion? So choose Wolsey Z because it is the better vitamin C as it does not cause dental harm. Lives will soon be normal post the pandemic. So going beyond pandemic, we want every household to consume Wolsey Z as a daily morning ritual, because we believe that wellness should be more prioritized than illness by India. Hence, even before illness, choose Wolsey Z for wellness. Thank you very much.